I have been using Panasonic products for a long time, and they have always felt dependable and easy to fit into daily life. I appreciate how Panasonic focuses on practical features, simple design, and consistent performance across its appliances. Finding the best Panasonic microwave oven can feel hard when so many models look similar but work in different ways. The best Panasonic microwave oven often stands out for even heating, simple controls, and inverter technology that cooks food more smoothly, which is helpful for busy kitchens in many US homes. I have used Panasonic microwaves for quick meals, reheating leftovers, and family dinners, and I have learned what works well and what may not fit every need. Let me share what I've learned so you can choose the right one with confidence. And all product links in description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Number 5. Panasonic NE-1054F Commercial Microwave Oven. The Panasonic NE-1054F Commercial Microwave Oven is built for fast heating in busy spaces like offices, dorm rooms, or small food service areas. This model offers 1000 watts of power and a compact 0.8 cubic foot size that fits well on limited counter space. I found it useful for quick reheating because it works fast without adding extra steps. The bottom energy feed helps heat food evenly by sending power from below instead of the sides. The 10 memory presets make repeat cooking simple, especially when heating the same meals often. I liked the touch controls because they respond quickly and feel easy to learn. The grab-and-go handle also opens smoothly during busy moments. One small downside is that the commercial design looks more practical than stylish for home kitchens. Overall, it feels dependable, space-saving, and built for frequent use without much hassle. Number 4. Panasonic NN-SU696S 1.3 CFT Microwave Oven. The Panasonic NN-SU696S 1.3 CFT Microwave Oven gives a nice balance of power and space for everyday cooking. I liked how it heated leftovers quickly without making the edges too hot. The sensor cooking mode helps adjust cook time on its own, which makes busy evenings feel easier. It also has a compact build that works well in smaller kitchens without losing useful capacity. The quick 30 seconds key is handy when I only need to warm coffee or a quick snack. The popcorn button offers different levels, which helps avoid burnt bags during movie nights. I found the controls simple enough for daily use, even when cooking in a hurry. One small downside is that the keypad labels can be a bit hard to read in low light. Overall, it feels practical, compact, and reliable for daily meals. Number 3. Panasonic NN-SN97JS Stainless Microwave Oven. The Panasonic NN-SN97JS Stainless Microwave Oven gives a roomy design that works well for larger meals and family cooking. This model has a 2.2 CUFT capacity and 1250 watts of power, which helps heat food fast and evenly. I noticed it handled large dinner plates and casserole dishes with ease. The cyclonic wave heat spreads heat in a smooth pattern, so food cooks more evenly from center to edge. It also includes smart sensor settings that take away the guesswork during busy days. The food warming mode keeps soups, sides, or sauces warm without drying them out. I liked how the inverter system kept leftovers soft instead of turning them rubbery. One small downside is that this microwave takes up more counter space than compact models. Overall, it feels powerful, easy to use, and great for homes that cook often. Number 2. Panasonic NN-SN67KS Stainless Microwave Oven. The Panasonic NN-SN67KS Stainless Microwave Oven offers steady cooking and simple control for daily use. This model brings 1200 watts of power with a 1.2 CUFT size that fits well in most kitchens. I liked how it heats food evenly, from edges to center, which helps with leftovers and frozen meals. The inverter power flow keeps heat smooth and avoids overcooking spots. It feels like the best Panasonic inverter microwave oven for anyone who wants reliable and quick results at home. The 3-level popcorn key is a nice touch, especially for movie nights with different bag sizes. The The Genius sensor also helps adjust time without guesswork, which saves effort. I found the controls clear and easy, even on busy days. One small downside is that the interior light feels a bit dim when checking food. Overall, it feels dependable, easy to use, and fits well into everyday cooking routines. Number 1. Panasonic NN-SN686S Stainless Microwave Oven. The Panasonic NN-SN686S stainless microwave oven gives a smooth and even cooking experience for busy kitchens. This model uses 1,200 watts of power and a 1.2 cubic foot size that fits well in most homes. I found it useful for reheating leftovers, frozen meals, and quick snacks without drying food out. The Turbo Defrost tech helps thaw meat faster, which saves time on weeknight meals. It also works well as the best Panasonic countertop microwave oven for families who want simple daily use. One thing I liked most was the Genius sensor cook that adjusts heat and cook time based on the food. The controls feel simple and easy to learn, even for first-time users. A small downside is that the exterior can show fingerprints after frequent use. Overall, it feels reliable, practical, and easy to live with every day. Final verdict. If I had to choose one top pick, I would go with the Panasonic NN-SN686S stainless microwave oven. It offers a strong mix of power, even heating, smart sensor cooking, and a size that works well for most kitchens. It feels reliable for daily meals, leftovers, and quick family cooking without being too bulky. For a more specialized choice, the Panasonic NN-SN67KS stainless microwave oven is a great fit for people who want smooth inverter cooking and easy controls in a simple countertop design. It works especially well for everyday reheating and fast meal prep. Check the description for current prices and more details, then pick the one that fits your style and needs best.